Looking for the best lawnmower but overwhelmed by choices? Stick around, we've tested and ranked the top 5 electric and gas mowers so you don't have to. Kicking off our list is the most compact and budget-friendly pick, the Litheli Cordless Lawnmower. It's coming in at number 5, and while it's not the most powerful on the market, it's perfect for those who just need a light trim in small yards. The Litheli shines with its ultralight design and cordless convenience. It's ideal if you want something easy to lift, push, and store. The battery is included, which is always a plus, and it even folds down for compact storage. For simple jobs like cleaning up a small lawn or touching up edges, this one's got your back. That said, the short battery life of just about 20 minutes and its limited cutting power mean it's not built for thick grass or larger lawns. If you've got more demanding terrain or more square footage to cover, you'll probably want to keep moving up the list. If you're a first-time homeowner with a tiny lawn or a tight budget, this might be all you need. And just a reminder, links to all the mowers in this video at the best prices can be found down in the description below. At number 4, we have the LawnMaster Corded Electric Mower. This one takes things up a notch in cutting range and power, while keeping things simple and budget-friendly. It runs on direct electric power, so there's no need to worry about charging batteries or refueling. You plug it in and go. It's super lightweight and maneuverable, and the 7-gallon grass bag gives you enough space for small yard cleanup without constant emptying. But the obvious downside here is the cord. You're tied to an outlet, which limits your range and can be annoying to manage. It also doesn't offer any mulching or side discharge options like the top models on this list. This is best for small yards where access to an outlet isn't a problem. If you've got a compact space and want no-fuss consistent performance, the LawnMaster is a great pick. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Landing right in the middle at number 3 is the Greenworks Cordless Mower. This is where things start to get interesting. It combines the cordless convenience of the Litheli with significantly better power and runtime. You're getting up to 40 minutes of mowing on a single charge, and the 16-inch deck gives you a nice balance of coverage and maneuverability. It also offers 2 clipping options, mulch or bag, making it much more versatile than the smaller entry-level options. The main drawbacks? It's still a push mower, and not self-propelled. That, plus its slightly narrower deck, means it may take more time to cover larger lawns. If you're after cordless freedom with solid runtime and don't mind putting in a little elbow grease, this is a great mid-range choice that delivers reliable performance. Runner-up on our list is the BILT Hard Gas Mower, a serious step up in cutting power and durability. This one is built for homeowners who want to get the job done fast, especially on tougher grass. The 201cc engine offers plenty of torque, and the 21-inch deck gives you solid coverage. You've got 3-in-1 cutting modes here too, which makes it super flexible for how fast you want to handle clippings. And despite being gas-powered, the Easy Start system makes it simple to fire up. However, this is a push mower, and it's heavy. You'll feel that weight on slopes or during long mowing sessions, and being gas-powered, you'll have to deal with oil changes and regular maintenance. This one's for folks with medium-sized lawns who want real power but don't necessarily need self-propulsion. It's durable, dependable, and built to handle thicker grass without blinking. Taking the crown at number 1 is the YARDMAX self-propelled gas mower. This one combines power, control, and convenience like no other mower on the list. With the same engine size as the BILT Hard, it delivers serious performance. But here's the kicker, it's self-propelled. That means less effort on your part, especially on hilly or uneven terrain. You also get a wider cutting deck and multiple clipping options, plus a deck washout port to keep it clean. The trade-off is its size and weight. It's the heaviest on the list and might be overkill for really small lawns or anyone with limited storage space. And yes, it still needs regular gas maintenance. If you want the best all-around mower for medium to large lawns, this is it. It's built to last, easy to handle despite the weight, and cuts like a champ. Ready to upgrade your yard game? All the top lawnmowers we covered are linked in the description. Check them out. And if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.